Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you the second version of beach style patani sundal. This is called as tanga manga patani sundal. This does not contain any heavy masalas in it, but it's very nice and fragrant. Here I've taken yellow peas. I've washed it nicely and soaked it in water for 8 hours. After the peas have doubled in volume, I've rinsed it again and transferred it to a pressure cooker. In the coffee tumbler that I measured these peas, the same coffee tumbler I've measured and added 2 cups of water to the pressure cooker. Close the pressure cooker along with the whistle and cooked it for 4 whistles on high flame. The peas have cooked well. I'm going to be reserving it. You can also prepare this peas in bulk and freeze this and prepare this as required. You just need to thaw this, pressure cook it once and then start preparing your dish if you're freezing it. Now I've heated a wok. Once the wok has heated, I've added some oil and I've started to fry some peanuts. Fry the peanuts till it's golden brown in color. This adds crunch to the recipe. I've drained the peanuts and reserved it. In the same oil, I'm going to be tempering the oil with some mustard seeds. I love the mustard seeds to splutter. Then I've added some cumin seeds. I'm going to be adding some split black gram dal and broken chilies. Dried red chilies, that is. I'll fry all of this and temper the oil. The oil has nicely tempered. At this point I'll be adding finely chopped onions, slit green chilies, curry leaves. We need to fry all of this till the onion turns transparent. I'll be adding some grated ginger and asafoetida. We'll fry the onions further for another minute's time. Now we'll be adding some grated coconut. I normally prepare the grated coconut and freeze it, so that's why it's in a block format, but freshly grated coconut also can be added. Just fry it for 30 seconds once you've added the grated coconut. And now I'll be transferring the peas to this that is already cooked. We'll add some salt and quarter cup of water. Stir all of this and allow the peas to absorb all this masala and cook well. Now once the peas have absorbed that moisture, most of that moisture content, add some finely chopped coriander and remove it from the flame. You can serve this for tea time. It's a best tea time snack. Now I'll be plating the peas. Top it with the fried peanuts, finely chopped onion, finely chopped mango, grated carrot, and you can also add some masala mixture or cornflakes mixture as per your preference. Serve this hot and enjoy it with some tea or coffee. Hope you all enjoyed this video, friends. I'll post all the ingredients used in this recipe in the description box below this video. Do try this healthy recipe at home and post your comments. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Bye bye.